KSP and Hanguk Precision Industry Company Limited, the state-of-the-art gear maker, are the subsidiary of Hanguk Machine Tools Company Limited that has led the machine tool industry in Korea. And KSP and Hanguk Precision Industry Company Limited are growing together with pride in leading modern industry. Our work to reach out to a bigger world and create a better world is the force that has driven change and development throughout our history. Communication, whether from one person to another or from one culture to another, has been the root of new civilizations and new values for the future. Wherever the world is developing, wherever the future is reachable, KSP is there. Since it was founded in 1991, KSP has grown to become a specialized enterprise that is opening the new era. KSP's excellent technology and high quality have been recognized in the world market. Our success in the world market was acknowledged when we won the $25 million export prize in 2012. By entering into an agreement to develop a heat-resistant blade for a 200 megawatt class power plant, we are moving towards a new business with KSP's own technology. As well, we are creating a new growth engine through steady and continuous R&D and strengthening our assets in the areas of wind power, gas turbines, railway locomotives, space, and aircraft, which are important for the green energy sector and is a growth engine of the next generation. World First makes us the world's best. We are producing an authentic leading brand with KSP's own unique technology. Our major die forging products are blades and packing, which supply the rotation power of turbines in wind generators. Our other products include a reducer for railway locomotive, valve spindles for nuclear power plant and marine engines and generators, and flanges for marine plants. We provide wheels and idlers for overseas construction equipment companies like Caterpillar, Mitsubishi, Komatsu, and Hitachi, and have been recognized as a world-class forging company. We also provide ring gears and head covers to HHI and Doosan Infracore. As well, we provide sprocket, cylinder block gears, and defense parts to Hyundai Rotem, Samsung Techwin, and S&T. KSP also makes piston crowns, cams, and housings of forging process parts with our own technology to HHI and Samsung Heavy Industry in the shipbuilding sector. KSP's 16-ton airdrop hammer and 7,000-ton hydraulic press enable us to achieve mass production in a short period of time while maintaining excellent mechanical features, precise dimensions, and complex shapes. Forging technology is a basis of the national infrastructure and plays a critical role in wind power, railway and automotive industries, shipbuilding and construction equipment, oil and chemical plants, as well as space and aircraft and nuclear areas, sectors in which KSP has taken the lead. KSP's hammer forging line, the first of its kind and the largest in scale in Korea, is certified from the world's 10 classification and is used to make world-class products. Used in energy plants, the turbine blade is a core part of generators. We have formed partnerships with global firms in the area of turbine blades, including GE, Siemens, Alstom, and HMI, as well as leading Korean companies like Doosan Heavy Industries and Hyundai Industries. Turbine blades are crucial to the performance of nuclear plants, thermoelectric power plants, and combined power plants. The turbine blade is fixed to wing parts and rotor axis, which are used for long periods of time under extreme conditions inside a turbine, and work to convert steam and gas into kinetic energy. Turbine blades require the integration of highly advanced technologies. As well, turbine sealing is used to pack the turbine motor at the high pressure end to optimize the efficiency of generators by minimizing the leakage of high temperature and high pressure steam. KSP's new business, the assembly sector, makes core valve products that complete giant engines for ships. The valve spins to create power for the upward and downward movement of valve spindles in order to emit exhaust gas. This part completes the engine's unique function. We shifted from a previous valve spindle single-item based production method to set up an assembly sector that combines assembling and coupling different parts. As well, KSP has expanded into parts production for ship engines, generators, and construction and heavy equipment through partnerships with major manufacturing firms. We are continuously developing and expanding our supply channels through license agreements with engine makers in Korea and abroad. For large-scale exhaust valve spins for ship engines, KSP has introduced electrical upset forming devices, the first of their kind in the world, which we provide to Hyundai Heavy Industries, Doosan Engine Company Limited, and STX Engine Company Limited, with high-quality molding devices and price competitiveness. We are also expanding our position in the global supply market to the world's best engine makers, including DMD, HHM, CMD, RPM in China, and Hanshin in Japan. Friction pressure welding of exhaust valve spindles helps to reduce cost and processing time while enhancing mechanical features. This is a world-first patented technology developed by KSP. We also produce various types of medium-sized engine valves for ship generators that are able to handle high temperature and high pressure corrosive environments. This has helped us to capture the attention of the world's leading engine manufacturers, including Hyundai Heavy Industries and Hanshin Engine Company Limited in Japan. Through technical alliances with global firms and the technology we have accumulated through our mass production experience, we have achieved more than a 90% localization rate. By supplying our parts to the world's best engine firms, we have developed technology competitiveness through joint technology development. KSP's latest technology, called friction welding, reduces welding processing time and increases bonding strength significantly without adding extra filler or heat source. It fixes one end of one metal material that requires bonding and rotates the other material for friction welding. This is a completely new high-pressure welding method. In hard-facing welding, a special powder is fused to a specific area of material for welding in order to increase strength and hardness. This method improves corrosion resistance and wear resistance to expand product lifespan and reduce production cost. We supply Hyundai Heavy Industries, Doosan Heavy Industries, and Toshiba in Japan, as well as Korean chemical plants and factories. KSP also supplies products for all of the welding work done by PK Valves, Korea's largest industrial valve maker. Throughout its history, KSP has been a driving force in Korea's industrial development. The future of KSP opens the tomorrow of global industry. We are committed to becoming a driving force in the world through our superb product competitiveness and state-of-the-art technology. We are and will remain a global leader beyond the marine and sea sectors. KSP will be a partner on your way to the future of the world.